Now we have left hand side as cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi means 360 plus x multiply with cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. This is our left hand side. 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree. Then 270 degree plus theta means 270 plus theta means you are in, you should remember this, A S D C. So fourth quadrant, 270 degree. Here it is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree plus theta means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos is positive, but 270 cos will change to sine. So this will become sine x. Similarly, cos 2 pi means 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta is first quadrant, all positive. So cos x. Similarly, cot the 270 minus theta means in third quadrant. Third quadrant cot is positive because tan is positive, but 270 cot will change to tan. So this will become tan x plus cot 2 pi means 360 plus theta, first quadrant, cot theta, cot x. First, now you have to solve to get the value 1. So sine x cos x, leave it as it is and convert tan and cot into sine cos. So tan can be written as sine x on cos x plus cos x upon sine x cot x. Taking LCM, sine x into cos x into, then when you take LCM, this will become sine x cos x or cos x sine x, same thing. Cos x into sine x. Sine will multiply, it will become sine square x in the numerator plus cos square. Cos will multiply with cos square x. And this will cancel. This sine cos will cancel. And sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You left with sine square x plus cos square x, and that is your first identity. It is equal to 1, which is the right hand side. Here you have to remember one more formula that was left last time. Sine square a minus sine square b. But this is not same for cos. How I will tell you. Sine square a minus sine square b, you can remember like in a square minus b square in algebra, we used to write a plus b into a minus b. Correct? So similarly here also, but this is for only sine. It's applicable like this. You cannot write cos square a minus cos square b is equal to cos a plus b. No. For sine a plus b into sine a minus b. This is for sine only. Okay. And if you want to know about the cos formula, both you can convert. From this we can derive the formula for cos also. You convert, okay, sine into cos theta. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square a minus 1 minus cos square b. So this will become 1 minus cos square a minus 1 plus cos square b. So minus plus cancel. So cos square b minus sin square a. Sorry, cos square a. Cos square b minus cos square a will be equal to second formula we got the second formula for cos also can be written as cos square b minus cos square a can be written as sin a plus b sin a plus b into sin a minus. Or if you convert only one, means only you convert cos sine into cos, so you get the formula in cos sine both. So that we will discuss separately. Now we have to use this formula. Okay, so we will discuss all that formulas later on. So now we are doing question number 12. That is left hand side is sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. After this question, we will discuss this. So sine square x, sine square a minus sine square b. As you know that this is a very simple question. Sine a plus b, sine 6x plus 4x into sine a minus b, 6x minus 4x. That's all. So sine 6x plus 4x is equal to tan x, and sine 6x minus 4x 2x. So that is the right hand side sine 2x into sine tan x. Right hand side. Okay. So we got sine square minus sine square b can be written as sine a plus b sine a minus b. First formula. This is our first formula. Second, this I have converted directly but not given in the textbook. So directly if you convert cos square a minus sine square cos square b minus cos square a can also be written as. And the third one that you have to remember, that is cos square a. As I told you, one of them will be converted into cos sine and one is should remain in cos. Then sine square cos square a minus sine square b. Cos square a sine, here cos and sine is coming, here cos and sine is coming. So cos square a minus sine square b is equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Cos a minus b. We also have the formulas for a plus b plus c, sin a plus b plus c, cos a plus b plus c. Sin a plus b plus c is equal to, but we are rarely using these. A, B, C. First you will write sin A, sin cos, sin A, cos B, cos C. Then plus cos, sin cos A, sin B, cos C. Then sin, cos A, cos B, sin C. These all are in plus. Then last term is in negative. Sin, sin A, sin B, sin C. Sin A, sin B, sin C. So sin cos sin cos, then cos sin, then sin. All other combinations plus only sin is negative. And similarly for cos, cos A plus B plus C cos A, cos B, cos C. First all cos will come cos A, cos B, cos C. Then all are negative in cos. All combination with cos, sin, cos A, cos, sin, cos A, sin B, sin C. Then sin A, cos B, sin C. Then sin A, sin B, cos C. Sin A, sin B, cos C. But in CBSE, we are rarely using this formula. You just know about it. That's it. So tan A plus B plus C, because it can be reduced tan A plus B also, because B plus C can be taken any other number x, and then you can use cos A plus B and then again use. So that's why it can be solved by that way also, by using A plus B formula. So tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan minus tan A tan B tan C, multiplication minus tan A tan B tan C divided by 1 minus tan A tan B AB, then minus BC tan B tan C, then B tan C, then minus CA tan C tan A. So this tan formula is easier to remember as compared to others. Okay, so these formulas were left. So here we can use the formula cos square A minus cos square B is equal to sin. If you see the previous page, cos square B minus cos square A. So B will come here and A will come here. Huh? So we should use cos square B minus cos square A. Is A will be greater. So sin A plus B and sin A minus B. So here you have cos square 2x left hand side minus cos square 6x. So 6x you will take A and this will be A and this will be B. So A plus B, your answer will be sin A plus B, that is 6x plus 2x, and sin A minus B, 6x minus 2x. So sin 6x plus 2x, 8x, and sin 4x. So we get sin 4x and sin 8x. Cos C minus cos D and sin C minus sin D. So left hand side, cos C minus cos D. What is the formula for cos C minus cos D? Means this is the second part, and here you will have to write minus also, minus, and sin will come 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2, and sin C minus sin D, denominator sin C minus sin d, that means second part cos sin will come, 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. So this will be applied in the numerator. We get minus 2 sin c plus d, that is 9x plus 5x by 2 into sin c minus d. 9x minus 5x by 2 divided by sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos 17x plus 3x by 2 sin 17x minus 3x by 2. This 2 and 2 will cancel. Minus sin 9 plus 5, 14 divided by 2, so 7x. 9 minus 5, 4 divided by 2, so 2x, and 17 plus 320 divided by 2, so 10x, sin 17 minus 3, 14 divided by 2, 7x. So you can see that this sin 7x will cancel. We get minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. That is equal to right hand side. Uh, Numerator is sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. You remember cos 2 theta, I told you cos 2 theta is equal to, yeah, cos 2a, whatever you, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square a minus sin square a. So cos 2 theta, so this is the opposite of this one. If you see right hand side, so we can take out common negative sign. This will become cos square a, cos square x minus sin square x. And numerator is sin c plus sin d. We can use numerator sin c minus sin d. So negative means cos, sin cos first part, second part cos sin. So 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 will come. Okay. So this formula, use this formula in the numerator. We get 2 times cos c plus dx plus 3x by 2 into sin x minus 3x by 2. Don't worry, if negative angle is coming, we have the formula for sin minus theta also. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. That will be used later on. So this will become 2 cos 3 plus x, 4x divided by 2. So 2x, x minus 3x minus 2x divided by 2. So sin minus x, sin minus x, sin minus x, that is equal to minus sin x. Next step, cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. So directly we can write cos 2x. This cos 2x, 2x will cancel, and sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So that minus will come out in sin. So sin x on this minus, 1 is left in the denominator. So this minus and minus will become plus. We get 2 sin x, right hand side. that is equal to right hand side. The rest of the questions you can do these questions. Just try and just apply the formulas. Here 4 can be written as 10 2 into 2x, then you can use for the formula 10 2x. And here in cos 6x, use formula for cos 3x. 2 into 3, then cos 3x formula. Then I think again cos 3x formula you have to use again 2 times, then you get the answer. So you can try yourself. Then we have trigonometrical equation next time. That is also a very important part of it. So try yourself these questions. If you are not getting, you can ask next time. Then we can start trigonometric equations.